Hey everyone, it's that guy 955. It showed up today. I'm super excited. Bearded Ape. Gonna see what all the hype's about. Let's get to it. Got a few things inside here. Amazing business cards. Just top notch. Absolutely love them. Got a couple stickers. I know where those are going. Let's get down to it. Again, their labeling, just like their business cards, is top notch. It looks amazing. Let's see what it smells like. Initial impression, it smells great. Actually pretty excited to put this in my beard and see what it does. It really does smell great. It's excited to see what the wife thinks. So if you guys haven't tried Cherry Pie by Bearded Ape, I strongly recommend you guys give it a try. You won't be disappointed.